All right, so I don't want to get. I had this guy on from Lordstown, all right, and he said orders, and it became kind of a contentious issue. Now, you have in your deck that you have $1.2 billion in orders, but you also disclose that the UPS's principal one, that they can be canceled or modified at any time. You got to stick by that, right? I mean, because an order, who knows what's going to happen to UPS, but they are a huge backer of yours.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've actually been working together since about 2016, and it's a long-term relationship. They actually invested in Arrival as well, and they work with us. They come to our factory. We're building a vehicle that's really fit for purpose for them. And as you mentioned, ultimately what's important here is the offering and the value prop that we're giving them. It's not just UPS; it's also the other customers. I mean, if you're a fleet purchaser, you can get an Arrival electric vehicle with better attributes than your current diesel one at a competitive price and lower total cost of ownership, and you can produce it locally. So there's no reason not to shift to an electric vehicle. So, with UPS, this is a long-term partnership. They're great partners of Arrival, and we expect that to continue long-term.
And then you had 17th March of 2021, you announced the new microfactory coming in Charlotte. And then You're talking about how maybe next year at this time, will we be seeing these on the street?
Yes, so our bus actually goes into production at the end of this year, our van in the second half of next year. We announced Charlotte. We're partnered with the city of Charlotte to produce a whole transportation ecosystem together, so there'll be more to talk about that at the right time. But what's interesting about the microfactory is you can use existing warehouses and turn them into production facilities. And so when you look at the global scale that needs to shift to being electric, we expect to have microfactories, all around the world. I mean, the US is US, UK, and Europe will be our first focus, but ultimately these microfactories can be in any major city around the world.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.